In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your MetaTrader 5 account number. If you're new to using MetaTrader 5 or you simply need a quick refresher, this guide is designed to help you easily navigate the platform and locate your account number with clear step-by-step instructions. To begin this process, the first action you'll want to take is to open up your MetaTrader 5 platform. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll see several options. Here, your first step is to click on View. This is where we start our journey to reaching the account number information. When you click on View, a drop-down menu will appear with various sections that you can explore. From this list, what you want to click on next is Navigator. The Navigator window is an essential tool in MetaTrader 5, giving you access to a wide array of resources without cluttering the main screen. It's one of those sections that, once you become familiar with using it, will make your trading and overall platform navigation much smoother. After selecting Navigator, you will notice a new window to the left side of your screen. Within this window, you will see several different tabs organized in a column. Now, look for the tab labeled Accounts. Clicking on this tab will reveal all the accounts linked to your MetaTrader 5 platform. This is the area where your account number resides, along with other account details. Now that you have clicked on Accounts, the final step is to locate and click on the specific account you're interested in. As you click on your chosen account, watch the details display right in front of you. Here, among other information, you will be able to see your account number clearly listed. It's as straightforward as that. With these steps, you can easily find your account number anytime you need it. It's crucial to remember that understanding the structure and navigation of the MetaTrader 5 platform can greatly enhance your trading experience. Feel free to explore different sections of the Navigator window to familiarize yourself with all that it has to offer. It can be a useful ally in managing multiple accounts or experimenting with demo and live trading setups. This straightforward process ensures you can quickly access and verify your account details without any hassle. It's designed to make sure you always have the necessary information at your fingertips, allowing you to focus more on your trading strategies and less on technicalities. Follow these steps whenever you need to retrieve your account number, and you'll be navigating MetaTrader 5 like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made it easier for you to find what you're looking for. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on leveraging MetaTrader 5 to its fullest potential.